Okay guys, we're starting the vlog in a weird way because today I'm showing you how I do my hair. Okay, thought this was gonna come clean, but it did not. So let's just go along for the ride. Okay, here's my bag of hair and my pups. Say hi! Annie, say hi! Oh! Sophie, say hi! Okay guys, so again, I look crazy, I know this, but I'm showing you guys how I do my crochet hair, my protective styles. So yeah, enjoy. Again, I understand how crazy I look. But right now, what we are doing, laying down the foundation for my crochet with my braiding pattern. Guys, look at him just sitting in my lap. Well, in my leg. He's so cute. The foot, the little paw on my foot. I can't. Look at him. The nigga Sophia. My heart can't handle this. Look at these cuties.
Two little baby pieces of cake. I don't want to give the judges
almost done.
Pasta.
Almost done. Let me see your finger. My finger? Mm-hmm. Okay, so now we're finished. You see the bag? Huh? I could never have a bald head. I could like never cut my hair because my face is very chunky. Yo, it's not a vibe. But gotta put my hair in. Okay guys, so we're starting the crocheting process. Okay, so guys, this is how we crochet.
Ginger ale and tequila. I don't want to use the mac and cheese because I don't like mac and cheese. Yeah, now we're cooking hot sauce. Alright, this is the craziest thing I've probably ever done.
You too close to me.
I'm trying to let them see it.
They need to YouTube it.
Mom, this is their YouTube.
Oh, my bad, guys.
Yeah. So we're gonna just continue on with that and y'all see you guys when I'm done. Okay, update. So more hair is in, so now you're kind of getting the idea. So the goal is to go from this to this. So yeah, we are completely finished. The install went great. So yeah, it was a Netflix show. All right, you guys, so that is it for today's video. I just wanted to show you guys how I do my awesome protective style. Shout out to my mom. She literally makes this thing go by super fast, either sometimes 1 to 3 hours. It's awesome because this style is super protective. My hair has grown so much from it, and I just love it so much. So enjoy these pictures and boomerangs that I took because honestly, I enjoy my crochet hair. I love you guys. I'll see you next week. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions in the comments for new hairstyles.